Locate the parking stall you want to park in. Turn on your signal to inform others you're parking. Drive forward and pass your parking spot. Locate the car that is parked 2 stalls ahead of your spot. Align your side mirror with the car's side mirror that is farthest from your spot. Make sure your car is about 2.5 to 3 feet or a little less than a meter away from the back of that car. This point of reference works if you have an average compact or standard size car. If your car is a little longer, you'll need to drive up about 2.25 or 2.5 vehicles ahead instead of just 2. Now check your mirrors to make sure there are no other cars or pedestrians approaching. Turn your wheel all the way towards your parking spot. Remember to keep checking for pedestrians and cars while you are backing up. Back up until you're straight and parallel with your spot. Then turn the wheel 1.5 times in the opposite direction to straighten out your wheel. Continue to back up until you fit your spot. Good job, you did it! In our next video, we'll show you the easiest way to reverse park using the 45-degree method. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more helpful how-to tips and fun facts.